Large intestine 18 is located on the side of your neck. I recommend that you use a light touch for all points on the neck, including large intestine 18. To locate large intestine 18, find the front of your voice box. That is the prominence in the middle of your neck. Right here. Now find the point that is the width of 3 thumbs to the side of that. Right here. You'll be between 2 muscles. Activate this point by tapping the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. And here's another view. Now find and activate large intestine 18 on the other side of your neck.